Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Tonia Light. In today's video we are going to be baking Nigerian wedding cake or birthday cake. You are welcome. These are my ingredients I'm going to be using, and I will want you to watch this video to the end. Okay, I'm not going to use any machine, so watch this video to the end so that you will know that you can bake your cake without hand mixer or table mixer. Please help me share this video after watching. Let's go straight to the video. This is 1 kg flour. This one is very important. Okay, they already added baking powder, so I'm going to add 1, and you will see the way I will do it. This cake flour already have baking powder in it. Because I have not used it without baking powder, that is why I still added 1. I think next time I will not add any baking powder. Let me see the results. This is 1 sachet. If you want to know how many tablespoons we have here, I have a video on my channel where I measured everything out. I will set this one aside now. This is 1 cup of sugar. You can decide to add 2 cups or 2 cups and a half, but I'm going to use 1 cup and a half. 1 cup and a half. You can use this one if you don't have hand mixer or table mixer. I'm doing this video especially for those people that don't have hand mixer. There was a time I was not having hand mixer. I baked my cake just like the way I'm doing it now, and there's no difference. You can see it's already light in color, and look at it. Make sure it's easily drop like this. Let it drop. If it's very thick, it will not drop. What will you do? You continue mixing. Please like this video and share. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please remember to share this video and like, okay? So you can make your cake without hand mixer or table mixer. Like that. So I will set it aside and let's work on the egg. We have 18 eggs here. If you don't have hand mixer or table mixer, you use your fork. You do it until when you see that it's foaming. When it's foaming, you stop. The measurements I use for this cake, I already have the video on my channel, how to get your right measurements for your cake making. I have it on my channel. So if you don't understand everything about this video, you can go and watch that video. The measurement is there. Please watch this video to the end. Help me share this video, please. And don't forget to like
and subscribe to my channel. After subscribing, there is a notification bell close to subscriptions. Just click on it so that you'll be notified anytime we drop new video. Thank you very much for the support. God bless you.
You can see that it's foaming. This is banana flavor. Teaspoon. This is coconut flavor. 1 teaspoon. Mace spice. 1/2 teaspoon. This one is Lebanese. 1/2 teaspoon. Cinnamon. It's not up to 1/2 teaspoon. A little. You rub butter on the pan. I've already on the oven. When you are baking, you make sure you on the oven so that you can put your cake in hot oven. This is exactly how you should do yours.
When I saw that I was still having enough in the bowl, I said, no, let me go and get another pan. So it was not enough. These two, I have to add another one. So I was now having 3. I just got this
So that there will be no hole at the middle.
pan. I've not even used them before. This is my first time, so I didn't know that 1 kilo will. I didn't know that 2 of them will not be enough for me. So next time we know that 2 of the pan will not be enough. So I have 3 here now.
I'm taking it to the oven.
Remember, you have to preheat your oven before putting the cake. And when you put it in the oven, don't open it. If you want to open it, maybe you want to check maybe after 30 minutes. But I did open mine was almost 1 hour 50 something minutes before I checked it, and it was ready. And to know whether your cake is ready, you see the way I'm doing it, you will dip the knife inside. If the knife come out clean, that means your cake is ready. If it's rough, it's not ready. Put it back and let it bake for some minutes. My cake is ready. It's still very hot, it's not cold yet. You can see my cake, very beautiful and well cooked. It was very delicious. Although we still have some at home, it's really delicious. Will you give it a try? Let me know at the comment section. Please help me share this video. That is very beautiful. So beautiful, and it's still hot anyway. Look at it. Please like my video and share. I'm going to ice this very cake you are seeing now, maybe one of them or two. I want you to subscribe to my channel so that you will watch how I'm going to ice it. I want you to know that you can make your cake without any machine. If you have not liked this video, please like this video and share. Subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed watching. Leave me a comment if you have any question. If you enjoyed the video, let me know at the comment section. Bye bye.